Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Meryl's Way here. Today you're going to join me in my kitchen as I prepare sea moss. It's definitely a great source of vitamins and minerals for our body, and during these times we definitely need it. So do your research on sea moss and see the best way to prepare it for yourself and your family, and other ways that you could include it in your meals. You can include it in like teas or smoothies once you blend it and make it into that gel consistency. For myself, I just take it every day, 2 teaspoons every day. I consume it first thing in the morning with water, and that's it, and I feel great. I'm going to show you guys what I have left over from what was made, what my mom prepared last week during the boiling process of the sea moss. But for today I am going to blend it. This is what I have left from my sea moss from the boiling process, what mine looks like. This is probably gonna last me until Friday. Today is Wednesday, so probably 2 more days, maybe Saturday at the end. So I've had this for about almost 2 weeks, a week and a half. So I'm going to finish this out, but before it finishes, that's why I'm going to prepare more, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So yeah, stay tuned. Before this video gets started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because that really helps. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about sea moss. Do you use it? You think about using it? What forms do you use it? How do you prepare it? Because there's other forms, it's like pill forms, which to each its own. I prefer to prepare it on my own. So yeah, subscribe. Okay guys, so I brought this over here so I can show you guys how it looks, because in my kitchen my lighting sucks. So this is the sea moss after it's cleaned. So at this point the texture is almost slimy like. So I cleaned it with regular water, but actually I poured it first with the bottled water, but then I realized I could just wash it with regular pipe water. Clean it with the lime, make sure you know it's cleaned properly, and now I'm gonna use spring water and soak it for the 12 hours. I'm just gonna cover it and soak it, and you'll see how this expands throughout that time. Okay, so I'm basically just gonna cover it until it covers to the top of the sea moss, not too much, because we're gonna use this water to blend the sea moss with. So I think this is good enough. That's how it is right here, because it looks like a lot, but it doesn't look like a lot. Sorry, but it is a lot. So this is the sea moss today, and tomorrow we will blend. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just put it on my tape. Just gonna put it here. This is our sea moss. It's been soaking for more than 12 hours, of course, and I'm just going to show you how I blend it. And as you can see, the water is kind of thick because it's already that slimy consistency that's probably going to give us our gel form. So I have my NutriBullet that I'm going to use, and here's the cup that I'm going to use to blend it in. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to pour this into this. Oh, you guys can see that. Alright. slimy. Right, so it's pretty simple. And I got it all the way to the max right here. Got it to the max line. And I'm just gonna blend it. Okay. That's basically it, guys. That's how you make your sea moss.
Ooh.
That's how it looks. That's your gel. Just gonna that's it. That is your sea moss. Woo. Okay guys, so we're all done with blending our sea moss. And right here I have 3 jars that I'm going to use to bottle them, keep them pure and protected while in the refrigerator. I have 1 red, 1 green. I got these from my Family Dollar, so they were like $1.19 or something like that. So I'm just going to bottle up my sea moss. Let's see how much I get. Push these for a little bit. So that's 1 jar. And here's another jar. So far I've gotten 2 jars. Let's bring them over here so you can see. And then the last one, see how much I get out of it. Oh, there's really nothing much left in here, so I'm not gonna use it in my 3rd jar. So I'm just gonna scoop it out in there and mess up another jar. Yeah, so that's it. So this is how much I got from the little bit of sea moss that I used yesterday. So this is it right here. See if I can zoom in closer. This is your sea moss. Alright guys, tell me what you think down below, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Would you rather it blended or boiled? Next time around I'll probably show you boiled, but I think the consistency to me looks a lot different. With the blending it looks a lot smoother and richer, and with boiling it just looks jello-y. If there's a difference, but yeah, to me there's a big difference. But either way, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Leave a like, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.